Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot on Snapchat without the other person knowing. It's a little trick, but I'll walk you through each step, so make sure to watch until the end. Alright, let's dive into this. First things first, launch the Snapchat app on your phone. Now, pick any chat you'd like to use as a distraction for this example. Something that isn't the main chat you want to screenshot. Once you're in that chat, tap the camera icon. Next, switch to the front camera and take a quick snap. You can add some text or just leave it blank for now. It doesn't matter. Now, here's where the magic happens. Start a screen recording on your iPhone by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. After the countdown, head straight over to Snapchat. You're going to want to save the snap you just took, then tap the X button to exit out of that screen. Now go to the chat you actually want to screenshot. This is where the trick comes in. Because you've got the screen recording going, you can take a screenshot in this chat without Snapchat notifying the other person. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to screenshot on Snapchat without anyone knowing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks.